Hey, I'm Sabi, co-founder of WPBay, and in this quick video I want to show you what WPBay is all about and why we built it. If you are a WordPress developer or user, you probably know the struggles of traditional marketplaces. They've become bloated, restrictive, and honestly not that friendly to creators anymore. We built WPBay because we wanted something better, a marketplace where developers actually feel in control, where buyers get a smoother, more trustworthy experience. WPBay is a place where developers can upload and sell their WordPress plugins and themes with flexible pricing, subscription options, and their own storefront. And where customers can find great tools, check reviews, get proper support, and manage their licenses easily. So what makes WPBay different? We charge lower fees than the big guys. We give sellers full control over pricing, updates, communication, and we make it easier for buyers to understand what they're getting, download it instantly, and activate it securely. Every seller has a storefront and a profile. Every product has clear details, screenshots, and support policy. No hidden terms, no shady licensing rules, no gatekeeping. This project means a lot to me and to the developers joining us. We're building this with the community and we're improving it every week based on real feedback. If you're a developer, join us and start selling today. If you're a WordPress user, browse around, find tools you can trust and support the people who build them. Thanks for checking out WPBay, and in the next video I walk you through how to create your own account and get started. Let's make something better together.